welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to format a Microsoft Word table. So what exactly are we covering as part of this topic? How to align text, how to change font size, how to color or how to color fill, how to size and resize a column or row, how to merge cells, and how to insert a new row. Let's dive in. I have created this table and I want this one to be a heading. So how do we combine all of these cells into a single one? Let's do that. Select the entire row, then right click. After right clicking, then select merge cells. This has merged the entire cells into a single one. Now how about centering this text? Since it is a heading, center alignment would work better. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is select on this text. Then here we have different alignment options. This is center. Click. Now we have center aligned the text. How about increasing the font size? What do you do to increase the font size? Now to change the font size, select the text. Then go here on the numbers. Then you can select any size you want. I like this one. After that, how about to change the color of the text? Fine. To change the color of the text, select it. Since it's already selected, now I will go to changing the color. This icon is for changing text color. Click on that. For the options of color, you can hover the mouse and see which works best for you. Now I will change this one to this color. It would look more prettier if we fill this row. How do we do that? To color fill, click on this one. Then you can select any color you want. Make sure that the contrast is good. I'd like to change this one to white, so the contrast is very well. Okay. Next, I want to show you how to insert a new row. To insert a new row, for example, in this table, I have different categories, but there is no category name. To do that, I will insert a row above this row. Right click on this one, then go to insert. Here, click on insert above. Now I can start typing the headings. This one, clubs. The next one, hours per week. And then fee. Next, location. Okay, so we have seen how to align text, how to change font size, how to color, and how to size and resize. I will show you shortly. And then we have also seen how to merge cells and how to insert a new row. Now this one looks a bit bigger. We can resize by selecting on this edge, just clicking on this edge, and then you go to the left to make it smaller. If you want to make it bigger, you go to the right. It applies the same. You can resize them. Now how about if you want to align this ones, select center align. The same for this one. If you want to center align the entire column, select, then go to center align. You can in fact do for the whole thing. Just select this and then center align. That's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.